Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Hoover HF9 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. This all-rounder is designed to tackle both hard and carpeted floors with ease. Let's dive into the details. The Hoover HF9 Cordless Stick is available in two versions. The single battery Blue Pets edition for just $299 and the HF9 with a double battery pack for $332. The latter is ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks, while the former is perfect for more casual users. Out of the box, the Hoover HF9 is easy to assemble, and its compact design and 3.4 kilograms weight make it highly portable. You'll appreciate the ability to stand it upright as you clean, allowing you to take breaks or move furniture without any hassle. The appliance comes with a 0.7-liter dustbin, featuring anti-twist technology to prevent hair from entangling in the rollers. The twin LED lights on the front of the cleaning head are handy for spotting dirt in dark corners. The Hoover HF9 Cordless Stick is not only versatile but also impressive in terms of suction power. With the switchable battery packs, you can get up to an hour of runtime on a single charge, making it perfect for longer cleaning sessions. In use, the Hoover HF9 performs admirably, excelling on both carpeted and hard floors. Its suction head is designed to handle different types of carpet pile effortlessly. The appliance operates at around 80 decibels on turbo mode, providing powerful suction but with a bit more noise. Emptying the dustbin is a breeze, and the LED display shows the remaining runtime clearly. The dual power pack model is worth considering for extended cleaning tasks, and the range of accessories provided by Hoover adds to its versatility. The vacuum's build quality is top-notch, and it's designed to last. Overall, the Hoover HF9 Cordless Stick is a powerful and portable cord-free vacuum cleaner that handles pet hair and various surfaces with ease. It's a great choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient cleaning companion. That's it for our review of the Hoover HF9 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest cleaning appliances and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.